Welcome to Da Nang, welcome to the Antung area, and welcome to the new Barrett urban zone here. I think every day something new is happening over here. I think there's a new spa now, but we'll find out. Restaurant, spa, mini marts, the pavement. I think they're working very hard to get this running very soon. And it's going to be very interesting. So what do we have here? Shampoo, body, okay, another spa. You can already see some beds, spa beds, massage beds, chill, shopping, memories, vibes. Yeah, they're working hard on it, so I'm actually excited and hope this is gonna be very successful, not like the night market. So we have our Indian restaurant there, so I would not want to walk there now. Let's check out this little side streets. I'm wondering, are they gonna have something, a roof for that here? So if it rains, can you walk here? So I see at the moment, they're gonna have a roof here. They can open or close whenever they want. It's very interesting. I'm actually excited. There, they're working on the pavement. Phone station. Okay. That's good. A restaurant over here. I think there are lots of small little stands and restaurants. And what about this? It looks like a bar or something. But it's not open yet. Maybe it's a coffee shop. And there you have a barbecue and beer place. Okay. And you have a fruit shop here. Booyah. And herbal pizza. That's kind of outdoor-ish. You can get a coconut over here. Pretty interesting. Avocados. Oh, okay. And I have a golden herbal pizza oven here. They're still working on it here as well. But not much new there, not much finished. But one interesting thing is here, you have a Sacombank ATM now here on this corner. But yeah, let's check out the beach and how it looks now. Wow, look at what they're doing here in this street. They're building even higher there. Huh. Very interesting. Oh my God. Oh my God. You know what? Let's cut that. We have to go to the Chu Hotel. They demolished the Chu Hotel completely. I hope no one booked this hotel for any time this year, because it's demolished. Oh my God. We're gonna go now to the beach, go to the right, and then we're gonna check out the demolition of the Chu Hotel. The ocean looks very rough, but beautiful again. There you have the banh mi stand, very popular place. Lots of grilled meats over here. We're gonna walk on the beach all the way to Chu Hotel. Lots of whistling going on here. Probably people park wrong here. Yep. Check that out. So all the motorbikes here are illegally parked, and if you park it here illegally, the police will also come and take it. Now the whistling is the easy thing. So apparently people don't know you cannot park here. There's no parking here. Those tourists thought like, oh, we want to go and have a drink here. No, no, no. Those are just illegally parked vehicles, you guys. Don't park here. The easiest thing is what happens to you is if they whistle you out. If they whistle, that's a friendly thing to do. Be grateful for that. else your motorbike will be towed. It could also be that the tow truck is somewhere here, and then they're usually a little bit more faster with the whistling. But yeah, you are not allowed to park anywhere here. You have to park over there. And then you really have to look where you park. And only because there are some motorbikes parked already, don't put your bike there, else you will come back from the beach day and you will not have a motorbike anymore. And then you probably will think like, oh my God, is it stolen or is it towed? And then you will have at least a couple hours of hustle to get it back. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Between Balcona, oh my God. TMS and Balcona, they have a brand new construct there. But don't worry, it's not gonna be a building, a proper hotel or something. I think it's just gonna be a restaurant. It's very simple, so I don't think it's gonna be long time. But they're building there. I assume it will take 1 or 2 months and it's done. Very interesting. What will be there? I remember the whole pile of land was for rent. So interesting. What kind of business can make so much money that it is worth to rent there? Probably seafood. I have no idea. But we will find out what it will be. Very interesting. But yeah, don't park your motorbike here. It will get towed eventually. Not all the time, depends on how busy they are. But then it will be a very stressful experience for you, especially if you don't have any Vietnamese friends who helps you with it. Good luck. Good luck. Because you're gonna go to the An Thung police station and they don't speak English, and yeah, have fun. Let's just tell you that. The easiest way is to bring someone Vietnamese, and then you're just gonna have to pay a fine, and then usually it nothing will happen. But yeah, don't park. This is also illegal to park there. Yes, that's not legal. Those tourists also park illegally. But yeah, the ocean looks nicer and nicer. It was very brown after the typhoon, but now it's clearing up. Very nice. But yeah, this is what I want to see. True hotel. I can't believe it. This is the first hotel actually that I reviewed there too, and now it's demolished. Oh man. It's crazy. I'm wondering if you booked a hotel there for next month or something, and you don't check your spam, or you don't check your Agoda or whatever you booked it from, and then you're arriving there, and then it's just not there anymore. It's demolished. So it is a very important street here, so they have to be very cautious how they demolish this building, because there is actually so many people walking there. You have to be very, very careful to not hit someone, you know. But yeah, this building is also pretty dangerous, because I think 2 months ago we saw one of those metal bars just dropped on the floor. Crazy. Since that day, I will never walk there anymore. Never ever. Huh. Ghost town here. But yeah, they completely demolish it, guys. I can't believe it. Wow. It must be very annoying now. Oh, look at this, they have a money exchange now. Alipay, WeChat Pay. Huh. Interesting. But yeah, look at this, guys. I can't believe it. The Chu Hotel is done. Also the restaurant and live music place over there. So now you gotta be a little bit more cautious if you reserve at the Sofiana. I will ask how loud it is there now. But this here, I forgot the name. I will tell you in a minute. You hear that? You hear that? That's annoying. And not only this, the demolition will be very loud. And then whatever they build there, because they're not gonna demolish the building and not gonna build something afterwards right away. So be aware, if you're in Senorita Hotel and you're not to this side out, you might have non-stop construction noise there. Huh. Crazy. The true hotel. Yeah. It's crazy. You can walk the streets every day, and after every second week something changing. I feel like if you coming here once a year, you will have a completely different city here. Completely different Antung area here. So much is changing all the time. Crazy. But I'm not sure if like every building here is like properly built. Sometimes I feel like those buildings are just built 10 years and then they remove it and build a new one. Because it's probably very cheap to build a house here. The only expensive part here is the land. The land can be millions and the house can be less than 100K or something. Whatever, however you build it, but yeah. It's only the land that is value. And it's usually a better thing to buy a plot of land. Then you don't have to remove the house that is probably not built correctly. Surfing might be very interesting right now. Wondering what's happening here in downtown. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What's happening here? Huh. No, this is still Saga. Saga Ranang. And then they also have an outdoor area here. I don't think anything changed here. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here and see you in the next walk.